Hey guys, what's up man, what's up? I love coming back doing these videos for you guys. Now today, as you guys may or may not have seen, we are doing another Lego build today, but this time, let me think. This time it's a 2-in-1. 2-in-1. So now you might be thinking to yourself, Harry, but what do you mean by 2-in-1? Well, I'm going to show you guys. But first, let's see if you guys can guess. I'm just going to see if I can cover it. From which Marvel part of the MCU this specific Lego set is from. You got it? Okay, let's do this countdown style. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer is I just want to see if camera can pick it up. Infinity Saga. And of course, as you guys can see on the box, you might not see my face right now, but you can still hear me. The scene or the set is based off a scene from Captain America Civil War, and they used the Lego versions, obviously, of Captain America or Steve Rogers and Black Widow or Natasha Romanoff. So yeah, just to recap for you guys quickly before we move on to the little bit of the background info and the clip that I'm going to include in this video. So yeah, this specific variant, because that's what the term is they use in the MCU nowadays, variant. So these, I do have them down here. Let me just see where I put them. Okay, so I'm going to show them to you one at a time and then together. So this is Natasha. I just want to see if the camera can pick her up. So this is Natasha Romanoff, aka Black Widow, on her motorcycle. And then there's everybody. There you go, guys. Steve Rogers in his battle mode. And what's interesting about this one is, I want to show you guys quickly. So if you take the helmet, I'm going to take Steve off of his bike. It's going to be a little bit easier to show you guys. So if you guys take the helmet off, watch this. So that's Helmet Steve. So that's just a little interesting thing I thought I'd show you guys. So that's Helmet Steve. And if you twist his face around, I just need to see where I put his hair quickly because it's a very, very tiny wig. And if you twist his face around, if you take it away from helmet mode, this would be casual Steve, guys. This would be casual Steve. So yeah, you can switch between casual Steve and helmet Steve. So I think I'm going to stick with helmet Steve for now. And then maybe if I do it something towards the end of the video, we can switch back to casual Steve. But for now, this is the Captain America. There we go. Okay, cool. Got it. Yes. Okay, so this is the Captain America we are sticking with for right now. Okay, so when it comes to Captain America and Black Widow, and I have to pick like a favorite moment, whether it be in animated form in the Marvel What If series or from any movie, and I literally mean like any movie in the MCU, Infinity Saga, guys, it's very, very difficult because it's hard to choose a perfect scene or a most hilarious scene or a scene with a lot of action in it. So I went to a scene that actually kind of made me laugh, but also made me want to follow the scene second for second. And the scene I'm referring to is, of course, from Captain America Civil War. It's a scene where Natasha and Steve are doing their best to blend in with the civilians whilst being chased by a Hydra hit squad or hitman squad led by Brock Rumlow, aka Crossbones, who is portrayed by the super talented action actor Frank Grillo. So Frank Grillo, if you find this video on Instagram or TikTok or even YouTube, really loved your portrayal of Brock Rumlow, aka Crossbones. You were one of my very favorite, you still are, but in MCU continuity, you were one of my very favorite MCU villains. So I don't know if this is a villain pose or this will count as a villain pose, but this is my best Frank Grillo fighting stance pose. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to say thanks a lot for watching my second and hopefully not last Lego build, because I have to see what other sets draw my interest. But for now, thanks for watching, thanks for liking and commenting, or even just watching and liking, guys. That also means so much to me. So as I always say, guys, catch you next time. Harry Dream Chaser!
I used to. Let's go. Standard tag team. 2 behind, 2 across. 2 coming straight at us. If they make us, I'll engage. You hit the south escalator to the metro.
Shut up and put your arm around me. Laugh at something I said.
What?
Do it.
Negative at the source.
Give me a floor rundown.
Negative on 3.
Negative on 2.
Snake the upper levels. Work down to me.
Kiss me.
What?
Public displays of affection make people very uncomfortable.
Yes, they do.
He's so
Oh, we know who's going to win. Natasha always crushes us.
6 times in a row. But maybe tonight, we crown a new champ.
Aw, it's so sweet when you guys are delusional.